Modern car cleaning kits come with a lot more than just a basic soap and towel. Most car cleaning kits now have specific sprays and tools built to specialize different areas of your car, like the tires or the leather seats, for more comprehensive coverage of both your exterior and interior. What's up, guys? In this video I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 6 best car cleaning kits in 2024 in the market. Which are the best for you? Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular user use. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. Relentless Drive Car Washing Kit. The first thing to notice about the Relentless Drive Ultimate Car Wash Kit is the totality of it. The kit has 20 pieces, and unlike some options that inflate this number with repeat products or small add-ons, each item in this car cleaning kit is well worth counting. It has a number of standout features, including the waterproof fold-down bucket and bristled tire brush, but the most notable items during our trials were the ultimate glass cleaner and the microfiber towel. The glass cleaner is incredibly effective after just a few moments, with dirt and built-up grime washing off after just one wipe. More impressive was the complete lack of streaks or water left on the window after I wiped it down with the microfiber towel. The Relentless microfiber towel is notably thicker and softer than many other options that I have used or tested out in the past. Number 2. Meiers Classic Wash and Wax Kit with Supreme Shine Microfiber Towels. The Meiers Classic Wash and Wax Kit simply does its job and does it well. Of the car cleaning kits I tested out myself, the Meiers option is perhaps the most straightforward, with solid, reliable spray cleaners and detailers to match, along with traditional car soap and liquid wax. The kit also comes with a classic sponge, which I surprisingly found to be a more useful washing companion than many of the mitts that have gained popularity as of late. Another notable small feature from the car cleaning kit is the small, circular sponge built specifically for rubbing wax on more evenly. The add-on of the microfiber towels is small but notable. Number 3. Chemical Guys 16-piece Arsenal Builder Car Cleaning Kit with Foam Cannon. If you have a few extra dollars in the budget, the Chemical Guys Arsenal Builder Car Cleaning Kit goes above and beyond what you need. The 16-piece set comes with many classic items like glass cleaner and a wash mitt, but also offers more exciting pieces like a foam cannon. The cannon provides a quick and easy way to coat your entire car in soap in just seconds, instead of meticulously wiping it down. The car cleaning set also has effective solutions, such as the wheel cleaning gel, which has drawn the praise of many Amazon reviewers. Number 4. Adams Polish's Adams Arsenal Builder Car Cleaning Kit. For a truly comprehensive car cleaning kit, look no further than the Adams Arsenal Builder Car Cleaning Kit. With cleaners and solutions designed for both the exterior and interior, the only decision you have to make is how thorough you want to be. Similar to the Chemical Guys kit, the Adams option comes with its own foam cannon for easy application. The dual-sided brush allows for deep scrubs on your wheel, including the hard-to-reach crevices on the front of the rim. Number 5. Autodeo 25-piece Microfiber Car Wash Cleaning Tools Set. If you are looking for car washing tools, the Autodeo Car Cleaning Kit is your best option. With multiple dusters, scrubbers, sponges, towels, and wax applicators, the kit stands alone in terms of total tool availability. The kit even comes with some rarer options, such as a stone hook to remove small pebbles from the treading on your tires, and a plastic carrying case to store everything. Each kit also comes with foaming tablets that dissolve into a window cleaning formula. Number 6. Armor All Ultimate Car Detailing Kit. The Ultimate Car Detailing Kit from Armor All does everything you could ask of it with ease. The first thing to notice with this relatively smaller kit is how easy and effective each item is. This stood out to me the most when cleaning wheels with the Extreme Shield ceramic wheel cleaner. The foaming formula immediately covered the wheel, and after one application, I could easily scrub off stuck-on grime. Unsurprisingly, Armor All also excelled in interior cleaning, with the Extreme Shield Protectant being one of the most effective items I tested. The spray left a noticeable sheen without that greasy or slippery feeling when I touched it. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier.